3 simple Pinterest pins has made me over $80 per day. In today's video, I've discovered a brand new strategy that you can use on Pinterest in 2024 to make a fantastic side hustle of at least over $50 per day. I'm going to teach you the technique of exploiting Pinterest trends and a simple tool that you can use to identify to make your Pinterest posts go viral nearly every single time. And you can use these Pinterest posts to get course sales, affiliate commissions, ad revenue on YouTube, more subscribers to your channel. It can lead to an abundance of different ways that you can make money online with these simple Pinterest posts. If you want to learn how you can do this, stick around and I'll break this down in a simple step-by-step process that is easy for you to follow. Now, the fantastic thing about this strategy is that you don't need to create any social media content. You don't need a website to go and do this. It's completely free to do. You don't need any money to get started. It takes minimal time out of your day because of simply 2 reasons. You don't need any skills, and you can also use ChatGPT to completely do this for you and automate this for you, making this a fantastic side hustle or even a full-time main hustle. I'm going to show you a platform where you can get access to high-ticket affiliate products that will pay you hundreds of dollars per sale that you make. Never mind a once-off commission. Some of these products pay a recurring commission every single month. What does this mean? This means the specific product is going to give you passive cash flow into your pocket every single month. And I'm going to walk through everything with you. I'm going to hold your hand throughout this entire process, making this as simple as possible for you to achieve this and show you exactly how I did this so that you can replicate this entire strategy, make it easy as possible to succeed at this fantastic side hustle. So I'm going to show you step by step exactly what I did so that you can do this and you can make money online in 2024. The first thing you're going to need is a blank Google document, as we're going to come back to this later, but it's super important for the strategy. Secondly, you're going to need ChatGPT, which is going to be the artificial intelligence tool that is going to help us automate this entire strategy. Third and finally, you need an online affiliate marketplace that you can find these products that will make you money online, because this is going to be the foundation and the core of this entire step-by-step strategy, as this is going to be the part where you monetize this entire strategy. And you will learn slowly but surely as we go through this video how we're going to plug in the specific product that I'm going to give you in today's video into your Pinterest strategy and your Pinterest posts to make money and scale those Pinterest posts and ultimately these affiliate commissions online. Super important, so I recommend watch through as we break this down in a much more detailed way of setting this up. This is most likely going to be anywhere between 10 and 20 minutes long. If you cannot watch the full video now, I recommend save this video to your watch later, as you don't want to miss anything that I'm about to explain to you. Come over to clickbank.com. You want to go and create a free account. It's a completely free website. There's no free trial, hidden credit card information. This entire website is free for life. And honestly, this website should not be free. The amount of return on investment I've made on this website is absolutely crazy, because I've made thousands of dollars off this website without investing a single cent into this website. There's not many places online where we can find a return like that. Click on Start Here or log in with your account. Once you've logged in, you will land on a dashboard or a marketplace that looks like this, where there are tons and hundreds of different products from around the world that has already been created for us. I'm saying done for you landing page, done for you checkouts, done for you sales videos, and we don't need to create any of this. And we're getting all of these resources completely for free. And we are allowed to go and use these products as our own, promote them as our own, and even keep up to 80% commission on every single sale of these products that we make. And the best part is, all we have to do is get someone to buy the product. Once you can master that, you, my friend, are ready to become a full-time affiliate marketer and make money online. Let's go use affiliate marketing and take a look at this product over here. The free traffic system. Flood your sites with free traffic. Every sale that you make, you will make over $360 per sale and $35 per month in recurring cash flow into your ClickBank account and into your pocket. And remember, if ClickBank's not available in your country, which I think they've updated it to most countries around the world, you can also use Digistore 24 warriorplus.com, which are two fantastic alternatives that I know will be accepted in your country. So there is really tons of alternatives if ClickBank is not working, so you don't need to stress at all. Let's use this product over here. Free traffic system, flood your sites with free traffic. If I go and click on this product, take a look at the landing page. This entire product has 14 days for $1 and then $37 a month, and then tons of upsells within this funnel, which will lead to this amount of commission that will be paid to you every time you refer someone to purchase this product. So the beautiful thing about the sales page, it has done for you testimonials. It has the done for you checkout, the done for you pictures, the done for you text, the done for you system, the done for you webinar. So you don't need to go and create anything. And the beautiful thing is this page will naturally do all of the converting for you. You just need to get traffic to this page, which is the Pinterest strategy that we're going to use in the next step and in today's video. The next step you're going to need to do is to come over to chatgpt.com. This is the tool where we're going to go and produce our article, which ultimately we're going to plug into Pinterest. So this is the part where ChatGPT is going to automate our entire Pinterest strategy. But there's a couple of things that we need to do in between, but it's really easy to do. You can click on Try ChatGPT or log into your free ChatGPT account. Again, ChatGPT is completely free. None of the tools I'm talking about in today's video is paid. So I'm going to log in with my existing account. Type into ChatGPT, give me 10 catchy titles. The titles are for affiliate marketing, article introducing affiliate marketing, and how to make money with it. ChatGPT will then give you 10 article titles introducing affiliate marketing and how you can make money with it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and choose any one of these. For example, let's go and use number 1, Unlock Your Earnings, the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing success. You can highlight this, right click copy, come over to our Google Docs, paste this over here. You want to highlight this, make sure it's centered. We can bold and underline this title, tap enter twice, and you're now ready to go and write this article. We have our title or our heading. All we need now is the body, which ChatGPT is here to save the day. You want to go and type the following. Can you give me 300 words on exactly what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Click on enter and let ChatGPT do all of the hard work for you and write this article. We can go and copy this, come straight back over to our Google Docs article and paste this over here. Highlight all of your text. Just make sure it's set to the left. Uncheck bold and uncheck underline. And over here, we now have our entire article complete. So what we want to do with this article now is we want to start adding some visual graphics and images to this article so that it doesn't look so plain and boring, because ultimately we want this article to look attractive and appealing. The easiest way to do this is to come over to a website called canva.com. Click on Create a Design on the top right, click on Custom Size, enter 1440 by 1440. Click on Create New Design and it will create and take you to a blank Canva design page. Click on the Elements tab and go and search Affiliate Marketing. Click on Enter. You can click on Photos, and over here we can choose from a bunch of different photos that we can add to our AI generated article. Let's use the example of this photo over here. We can go and highlight this and zoom it in to fit this page. We can click on enter, click on download, choose transparent background and download this to your PC. I'm going to come straight back over to my article. Where I've left a space over here, we can click on file. There should be an insert or insert, image, upload from computer, and go and upload the picture that we've just downloaded on Canva. We can make this a little bit smaller. Once that's complete, all we need to go and do is put in our second section. In order to do that, we need to come back to ChatGPT and you want to type the following. Can you write 300 words about the pros and cons of affiliate marketing? Click on enter and let ChatGPT write the second part of your article. Go and copy the second part of this article that ChatGPT has now created. Simply highlight it all, click on copy, come back to your Google document, click on enter, and you can go and paste the rest of this article. Let's go and highlight the same text, uncheck bold and underline, make sure this is aligned to the left, and over here, we can simply just type another heading, pros and cons of affiliate marketing. Highlight this, centerize it, we can bold and underline this so it looks like a heading. Okay, the last and final step of this entire strategy is to now go and embed our affiliate link to this article. The first thing we want to do is scroll to the top. You want to click on enter again. Make sure this text is aligned to the center. Come back to ClickBank, go and copy this entire headline, paste it over here, and you want to go Back to ClickBank, click on promote, enter your affiliate nickname on ClickBank, which is what mine is, click on create hop link, and over here you can go and copy your unique affiliate link. Come back to your Google document, highlight this text, click on link over here, paste this link, and click on link, and apply this link to this text. Okay, you can also add 2 arrows that makes it look more like a clickable button. So again, we can just highlight this, click on link, and add in that affiliate link. Okay, so now this is a clickable link within this article. We can also highlight certain pieces of text throughout this entire article, such as that piece over there, driving traffic and conversions. Highlight that, paste your ClickBank affiliate link. Over here, we can highlight some of this sentence over here. For example, this part here, add your affiliate link. Another piece over here, highlight the sentence and add your affiliate link so it's embedded throughout your article. Now this is step number 1 complete. We still now have to embed this into Pinterest, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do that in the next step. Click on file, click on download, and you want to download this entire article as a PDF document. Okay, this is now downloaded to my PC as an article, and come over to a platform called slideshare.net, which is a public platform where we can go and post our article. But keep in mind, this is not going to be the platform where we're going to be making our money. Today's video is about making money on Pinterest, but we need this platform in the middle to embed our article that we're going to make money with on Pinterest. And trust me, people do click on these articles and do click on your links. All right, click on upload on the top right hand side over here. Click on select upload documents. Just do the quick verification check. All right, and over here we can go and title this document, which you can simply go and copy straight from your article. Select that as your title, as your category. This will most likely be under finance, or we can just do economy and finance tags. Description isn't really too bad because we're not going to be, again, worrying about this website. Click on publish. All right, you can paste the first introduction of your article into the description on slideshare.net. Click on publish. And over here, we now have a URL to our article that is completely free for the public to access, which is ultimately step number 1. The next step is you want to come over to trends.pinterest.com. Now, this is a completely free tool that will give you back-end data on what people are searching on Pinterest. And you can go and exploit this information to discover what's going viral, what's not, and what you can capitalize on. Under the intersection over here, you want to go and click on finance. Over here, we have money strategy, financial freedom, credit score, 52-week money saving challenge, saving money, save money aesthetic, debt-free, bi-weekly savings challenge, debt-free aesthetics monthly. So most of the searches at the moment is a how to save money. We're going to go and use the second highest one over here of a money strategy. Keep this open in a tab. We're going to come back to this later. Come to the homepage of Pinterest.com. You want to go and add a new pin by simply clicking on create a pin. To go and create the image for this pin, come back to Canva, go and search pin under the homepage of Canva.com. You will find tons of different pins that you can use for Pinterest.com. Okay, over here, we're going to click on this pin over here, click on customize template, and you want to simply go and leave this as is, 10 ways to save money. We want to target the title and the keyword that is trending of save money. Take a look at how many times save money is busy popping up on Pinterest trends under the finance niche. So therefore, we want to capitalize on that. And within that title, we're going to plug in our affiliate product and our article. Okay, so come back to your Pinterest templates on Canva, click on download. You can also click immediately on download and download this directly to your PC. Come back to Pinterest, upload that same picture that we've just created on Canva, and you want to go and add your title, 10 ways to save money as a teen in 2024. Come to the description of your page, paste the title of your article, Unlock Your Earnings, the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing success and making money online as a teen, colon, and you can go and paste your link to your free article just like this. add your link again to your free article. You can add this to your board, which would be Make Money Online. And for your tags, you can simply go and type here or copy these keywords: saving money, comma, saving money aesthetic, comma, debt-free, comma, debt-free aesthetic, the bi-weekly savings challenge low income. And I recommend just go and copy at least of about 15 of these trending Pinterest keywords that we've discovered on trends.pinterest.com. So now that we've put all of this together, we can go and post this pin. All right? Because we're targeting the trend of how to save money on Pinterest. So there is good possibility that this pin will start to move quickly and get a lot of traction. The product that we're offering is completely free. It's a free article on slideshare.net where people can read the 10 ways on how to make money with online and also how to save money. Once people open up this article that we've now created on slideshare.net, the first thing they have is a link to the free traffic system, which then every time someone purchases that product, you're going to make $300 every single sale that you make. Now, if you go and create a consistent Pinterest page, you can easily get to the point where you're making one sale a week and eventually blow up to the point where you're making a sale every single day. And this is very easy and doable in time. This is not something that's going to happen overnight, but you need to post consistently, build your Pinterest page by targeting the most searched terms on Pinterest.com by using trends.pinterest.com. So this tool is really like a hack to go and find what people are searching all over Pinterest, because this will allow your posts to pop up at the top every single time someone is searching this keyword or searching various of these keywords. Some might pop up at the top, some might not, but using this tool will definitely push up your pin a lot in terms of being ranked number one, also on the top searches. So this is why this tool is really like a bit of an underground hack when it comes to ranking your pins on Pinterest.com. So what I'm going to do is to help you out more with the strategy and to get more sales with affiliate marketing. I'm going to give you my entire free affiliate marketing course on YouTube that I've created over the past 3 years. There's about over 300 videos in this playlist. There's hundreds of different traffic strategies that you can go and use. So I recommend go and click on this playlist over here on the screen and save this to your watch later. I don't blame you if you can't get through all the content in one day. This is content that you need to grind over the next couple of weeks. It's a full program and full mentorship here on YouTube. Cannot watch all of it now. Save some of the videos to your watch later. But without further ado, make sure to click on this playlist over here and I'll see you on the inside.